Why is Badu Kobi talking about Ghana matters? Write this and keep it. The current elections of Ghana has brought back Kwame Nkrumah again. For Africa to take her place, Ghana must lead. And for Ghana as the center to lead, there must be the resurgence of another Kwame Nkrumah, and that is John Dramani Mahama. Kwame Nkrumah is back. Kwame Nkrumah has come back. The Kwame Nkrumah is John Dramani Mahama.
Hello, Osagyefo. I hope say radio mobile ho ye. Me den chia sonko ebremu nyina. We a message that Prophet Badu Kobi e preachi wana sorry last Sunday ye twemu ye. Na ne preaching ni mu no oka mu say President John Mahama ono new Kwame Nkrumah oba. Like Kwame Nkrumah and waba no, like the second coming of Kwame Nkrumah is in the form of Yera John Dramani Mahama. Inti John Mahama and Kwame Nkrumah no. Inti a very interesting message that preachy here. And me say me pesa me de Abraham na yina yetie se nia okay say sa anasa nyesa na the word number. Na message say obe subscribe to my channel no. Na wa hit notification bell no say da be ya me upload any new video be a on sabeka alert no. Na bo modern say obe share na wa like amame. Na o adwenkyere bi ana comment bi a na wa drop e de amame. Menim say obe yenti. I want to thank you in advance. Me that's it.
So he has made Ghana, which is one of the nations, and has put Ghana in the center of the earth. Why did God put Ghana in the center of the earth? And Africa is the first of the continent, but Ghana in the center. Why? Think about it. Why is Badu Kobi talking about Ghana matters? Write this and keep it. The current elections of Ghana has brought back Kwame Nkrumah again. For Africa to take her place, Ghana must lead. And for Ghana as the center to lead, there must be the resurgence of another Kwame Nkrumah, and that is John Dramani Mahama. That is why I've been making noise. People did not understand. I was making noise for a reason. Badu Kobi, why were you doing all these things? I had future understanding. And you check how he will come and do his things, like Kwame Nkrumah. And I had to speak ahead of time in the midst of being lambasted, being bashed. Why? I was talking about tomorrow, not about what you are thinking. Kwame Nkrumah is back. Hebrews chapter 10 verse 9. He taketh away the first, that he may establish the second. He taketh away the first, Kwame Nkrumah, to establish the second Kwame Nkrumah. And you see, he's also called Kwame. It's for a reason. And people were talking, but I knew what I was doing. I want to say this today in humility. You can say anything about me. I know what I'm about. This is the time for Ghana to rule Africa. Africa to rule the world. He taketh away the first to establish the second. So Kwame Nkrumah had to go for Kwame Dramani Mahama to come. And it is the same Kwame Nkrumah. And Africa is going to take a place now because Ghana is starting it. Who is listening to me today? Now finally, Badu Kobi, why are you the one shouting all this? It is because I must be the prophet to herald all these things. Some few days ago, some people call me, Badu Kobi, please now they don't know what they are talking about. I will not mind anybody. Step aside and let people with divine mandate do their works. The nation is not for those who fought for party. The nation is for those who are leading the nation. And this year, Ghana will shake for things to work. Whoever stands in the way, Jehovah shall lead me, and there shall be a pathway. Badu Kobi, we are informed. Some of you got this party to power. So now keep quiet. Keep quiet for what? I am here for Ghana to take over Africa. I am here for leadership to go the right way. I am here for Kwame Nkrumah to do his work and do it well. I am here for Africa to celebrate Ghana and celebrate God. Kwame Nkrumah has come back. The Kwame Nkrumah is Dramani Mahama. I prophesied about him I thought it was 2002, and his relative came here and said 2000, because God was up to something. And listen to me, we are taking back our place. Ghana is taking back her place. Africa will take back her place. God will take his place in nations, and it is starting from Ghana. Today, stand and listen whilst those on social media are watching us. John Mahama was born in 1958. 1 year after independence. So you get the independence, then I arrive. What I'm saying, he himself has not caught the revelation. So listen. Then he enters 1958. Then he comes back to rule Ghana 66 years. What is 66? 6 is the number of man, the number of the church. So he comes divine to rule. Wait, who is his wife? Lordina Mahama. What is her birthday? 6 March. So you see, all that is happening is divine. There's no politics anywhere. It's divine. But there must be a man of God to show how it goes. And that's why I'm saying it in humility. I won't mind any man of God that will say anything. No. What I understand, it is not getting political points. No. It is divine matters. Badu Kobi, stop the talk. You don't know what you are saying? So you see, there's a divine something happening. And he's coming because he should have gone for it. He's coming for 4 years. Fine. What is 4? 4 is the start. So whatever must happen in Africa and Ghana now, he's starting it. And he himself, he calls it reset. What is reset? Reset simply means everything has happened, but start it all over. So whatever is happening in Ghana is divine. And today I came with the prophecies. Today too I won't talk. I won't talk about the prophecies, because still it is Ghana and America to lead the world. And Ghana will lead Africa, and Africa over America, and America over. And if John Dramani Mahama had not come, it can't start. So let us all stand with him. They do wrong, we tell them. They do right, we commend them. We don't care who we speak. Have you heard me? Say, God, I thank you I'm an African, and I thank you I'm a Ghanaian. God bless you.
Thank you for watching. Kindly consider subscribing to my channel, hit the like button, share, drop a comment, and hit the notification bell so you could be notified anytime we post a new video. Also consider following me on other social media platforms with the same handle, BluntGhana. We hope you will do that. Thank you.